Good afternoon. My name is Kumbuzo Manganye. I'm the Acting Chief Director responsible for curriculum development programs in, under the Department of Education, KZN. We were meeting here today as the Curriculum Management and Delivery Branch Head Office colleagues. The main aim of today's meeting was to plan for the 2026 academic year, indicating how we'll coordinate our program. So we were meeting as the curriculum branch only. The session was started by the DDG, Mr. Mazibuko, who gave us the opening address, charting the way forward in terms of the expectations for the session. And then there were different presentations, including those by the chief directors, focusing on what was achieved last year in terms of the plans for each chief directorate, looking at the challenges for 2025. And then part of the presentation also focused on the 2026 plans for each of the three chief directorates within the branch. So there were also other presentations from different colleagues, including those from the audit section of the department. Tomorrow we will be meeting with the other branches, that is IDS and corporate services, so that we come up with consolidated plans which have inputs from the other branches of the department. So tomorrow's session will be an inclusive one. In other words, all the 4 branches of the department will be included. And then the meeting will finish on Friday with well consolidated plans. Yeah, thank you.